Kaiserwetter wants to provide a significant contribution to achieving the goals of the Paris Climate Agreement. Unless we take immediate action, this won't be possible. Kaiserwetter is an independent, internationally operating service provider for the technical and financial management of renewable energy assets, especially of wind parks and solar plants. We see ourselves as a data-as-a-service company, providing data and analytics as an added value to our clients' business. We do this with our solution Aristoteles, an innovative platform developed together with SAP. For the first time, we use Internet of Things and machine-to-machine connectivity to aggregate data, applying big data mining, and analyze them afterwards with smart data analytics. This is done with technical, meteorological, and particularly with financial data. Using IoT technology gives us the ability to aggregate data from all over the world.
Based on SAP IoT application enablement, in combination with our expertise of the management of renewable energy parks, we are now able to analyze the collected data in a way that allows our clients to maximize the performance of their assets and portfolios.
Using the web-based Aristoteles front end, our customers can access their customized dashboards with tailor-made key figures. This triad of energy production, revenues, and liquidity provides transparency and is an essential component of efficient risk minimization.
The next big step to further risk minimization is the implementation of predictive data analytics. Together with SAP, we are working on anticipating technical changes based on the historic data of wind energy parks to recognize possible damages at an early stage so that we can react and take necessary measures. Predictive analytics is a key solution to minimize the operational risks of investment.
The Internet of Things, combined with smart data analytics and predictive analytics, provide fantastic opportunities of data-based portfolio management, together with profit maximization and risk minimization. This newly gained transparency significantly increases security of investment for our clients. As a matter of fact, there is no longer an excuse not to invest in renewable energy.